Hello and welcome back to Affiliate Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Easy Fiverr Cash. Just before we jump in, a reminder, this is an honest review video. It's not a hyper-promotional video. I will receive a commission if you decide to buy the product that we're looking at here through the link in the description. But my goal is always to help you to find good products and avoid bad products, and I probably give way more bad reviews than I do good reviews. In this case, I'm pretty happy to say I'm going to be giving some good reviews. So again, this is Easy Fiverr Cash. I'm just going to jump on in. There's a great little promotional video up here. I call it great because, one, it's not long. Two, it's not full of a lot of ridiculously unrealistic hype. It's not telling you how you can make $3,000 a day or $200,000 a year or anything like that. And I was really hesitant about this to begin with. When I first started looking at this, how I earn income on Fiverr without needing any skills. Well, obviously, the reason people go to Fiverr is because they're looking for someone with a particular skill. So if you don't have skills, kind of like, well, what are you doing on Fiverr? Right? This was my first thought. It's not scamming. Okay, so what you're going to get is you're going to get training. That's what this individual is selling. But it's not... the video explains it well. It's not that you have no skills. I think it's a matter of finding things that you can do with the skills that you already have. So for instance, if you know how to use social media, let's say you're really good at... let's say you're really good at Twitter. Now, I don't know if anyone is good at Twitter, but if you know how to use Twitter and you have some spare time, and I have a business and I'm looking for someone to promote my whatever on social media, and you come along and you're like, well, hey, I'll promote your stuff on Twitter and I'll help, I'll do this for you on Facebook and Instagram. All right. I mean, that's not maybe a dedicated skill set per se. You're not necessarily doing something that I couldn't do, but you're coming along and you're doing something that you do know how to do, and you're simply providing the service for me. So I get the impression this is more the type of thing that it is. He's not making ridiculous claims. Within the video, I'm not sure if he mentions it down here, he talks about a case study that actually shows how he was able to make $400, not $400 a day. Okay, this is not training that is necessarily going to give you a full-time steady income that's going to help you retire from your current job. But if you aren't making any money on Fiverr, or if you simply have a couple of hours a day of spare time that you'd like to be utilizing more productively, this could be a great way for you to figure out how to get involved in Fiverr. And you know what? Guess what? If you do have skills, but you're not on Fiverr, this is certainly going to help you get started off on there. There are people, by the way, they don't work a 9-to-5 job. They put in whatever time they want every day doing stuff on Fiverr. Fiverr has evolved a lot in the last... I'm not sure, 7-8 years, however long it's been. Fiverr used to be the place where you could find someone to do a particular job for $5, hence the name Fiverr. That's not what it is anymore. So there's a substantially broader category of pricing that you deal with now. So there's a lot of opportunity there. So I am going to recommend this. You also, by the way, get the PLR rights. So you're going to get the training, and then we talk a lot about PLR products on this channel. Basically, what that means is that you can turn around and you can sell this course. I'm guessing it's probably an ebook or ebook type training, but you can use it yourself, and then you can turn around and you can sell that content as your own. You can't sell the resell rights for the content, right? You can't sell the copyright, but you can sell the content itself. You can publish it as articles or a book or whatever, and do as you will with it. Not quite as you will, but there's a lot of stuff you can. Anyway, I'm not going to talk about PLR in here. Here he mentions the $400 case study. So again, $400 I think is realistic. So this is looking at $20 expenses or less than $20 to make $470. It's not too shabby. It's spare time, so if you have spare time, it's spare. You know, you're not losing out on anything. You're gonna get some bonuses in here as well. I'm gonna let you guys look at the bonuses yourselves. Again, if you check out the link in the description to this video, you can go look at the sales page that we're on right now. It's not going to sell you anything unless you click on the spots where it says, yes, I want to buy this. You know, down here where it says add to cart, that's going to take you to where they're actually going to try to collect money from you. But at this point, you're just browsing. So check this one out. I think for a lot of you, if you're looking to just supplement some income, if you're looking to get started in Fiverr, you're looking to just experiment with some different niches without spending a lot of money, this is a good way to go. I think there are a couple of upsells with this. I don't think I have the page open at the moment. No, I don't. There's probably a couple of upsells with this. I can't tell you what's in them because normally we don't know anyway, but you're going to get what's promised here in the package for the $8. The price is good. I think the value is going to be good. And again, if you don't have spare time, if you're already making hundreds of thousands of dollars in the online economy, it's probably not worth your time. If you're looking to get a little side hustle going, if you're looking for something to do with some spare time, if you're looking to explore some new avenues of income, check this one out. Okay? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the links in the description, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys back here again soon.